Good morning, Kristi. It's Brittany from Autofair Honda here to show you the 2022 Honda Pilot Black Edition. Color is platinum white pearl. You got these really nice black alloy rims, privacy tinting in the back windows. It does also have roof rails, black leather interior, power lift tailgate. It should also be hands-free. You have to have the fob on you though. So the third row is down currently, but I will pull that up so you can take a look at that here and from the other side to get an idea of space. There we go. Got this little storage compartment here as well. Let's check out the back seat. All right, you have door sill protectors, heated seats in the middle row, climate controls. You have a sunroof here. It's just covered, but you can see, and there's one in the front, and there is a home entertainment system, which is really cool, and there's auxiliary jacks there as well. It is captain's chairs. You get the headphones. There's two sets. One click pulls that forward. That's a view of what the third row looks like. And these also recline. There's armrests, and they slide forward and backward. You even have the screens on the windows so that it can be even darker in the back. Power adjustable heated and ventilated seats in the front. You have Home Link for your garage door opener buttons. They're programmable. Auto dimming rearview mirror. You got this large screen here. Here are your heated and ventilated seats. I'm going to turn that on right now. Wireless charging and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a ton of space up here too. You can take or make calls from right here at the steering wheel, which is heated. And you can, it has all the Honda safety and sensing features, including blind spot indicator, which is obviously a fan favorite. This is really low mileage at only 44,383 miles. It is certified with a 3-year, 125,000 mile powertrain warranty with the ability to add more on. I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, 603-832-8761. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.